Cygwin fatal error, unable to remap. What does it mean? When running Python in Cygwin, I get the following error. What does it mean, and what should I do to fix it?
You need to run the rebase command from the rebase package to fix the problem. Install the rebase package using the Cygwin setup.exe utility. Close everything running that uses the cygwin1.dll. Open a Cygwin shell. Type rebase at the prompt. Rebasing is usually only required when installed packages are installed that modify libraries that are dynamically loaded. I'll admit a bad habit of always running rebase after installing or upgrading packages in a Cygwin install rather than waiting for that error you hit to show up. As for why you got that error and how rebasing solves the problem, this post has this to say about it. You have it backwards. Forking doesn't break the relocation. Relocation breaks forking. Cygwin1.dll needs to have a very special memory layout to implement the fork semantics in Win32. If this memory layout is disrupted, fork breaks. Relocating Cygwin1.dll disrupts the required memory layout. Rebase does its best to locate all Cygwin DLLs that it knows of into a layout that avoids collisions. This maintains the required memory layout so fork can do its job.
It means that either a third-party program such as a virus scanner or the DLL address randomization feature that was introduced in Vista have interfered with your process in such a way that it couldn't successfully be forked. The rebase utility can be used to pin down DLLs such that the problem is avoided. It's installed by default. See rebase help on how to use it and .0.1.readme for further details. If it doesn't help, pflagsol is another one worth trying.
There is answer for the problem. Source: this URL, Windows. Unable to remap to same address as parent. Fatal error: unable to remap //c /cygwin /lib /python 2.6 /libdinload /time.dll to same address as parent. 0 times 360000 not equal 0 times 3E0000. This is not an issue with Node.js either. Install base rebase using setup.exe first, then close all Cygwin instances. Start dash or ash, located in the bin directory under Cygwin's installation, en run. $bin rebase all v. It should finish with no errors. If instead the above results in an error like break time equals 1s, break is not writable. Open up a Cygwin shell and run. $commod 777 app data, local temp. Close your shell window and repeat the steps above. Once you are done, restart your PC. Remember to close all open Cygwin shells before using rebase all.
I had the same problem after compiling NumPy. The affected DLL was mchan.dll. Simple. Did not work. What helped was the following. Examine whether the affected DLL, in this case time.dll, is accurately rebased. If not, create a list which contains the full path of the affected DLL. E.g. The file may also contain more DLLs, one per line. Then call. With no other Cygwin stuff running, as described above. The time.dll should now be rebased, additionally to the normal rebase. Strange, in 10 years of using Cygwin with NT, Windows 2000, XP, I had to rebase only once. In one day with 64-bit Windows 7 this was already necessary.
If you love to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.